Welcome back. In this video, we will be getting started with our backend in Deno. First, we need to install few dependencies. For that, open up your browser, search for deno.land. Land. It'll open up the official website of Deno. To install Deno, simply paste this command in your shell in Mac and Linux. It will install it for you. Similarly for Windows, use PowerShell and execute this command. The second dependency that we need is denon. Go to third-party modules, search for denon. This is a node-mon type of thing for Deno. To install denon, copy paste this command into your shell and execute it. It'll install denon for you. The third dependency that we need is postman. Search postman. It'll first, second link maybe, then download for Windows. Similarly for Mac and for Linux. I've already installed all these dependencies. So let's head back to the editor. I have an empty directory here, so we are starting fresh. For this video, I will be creating a very basic Hello World server so that you can understand how to create a basic application. From next video, we'll get a little bit more into core detail implementation. But for this video, we will be seeing how to implement a Hello World server. Go to your directory, create a new file app.ts. So now we need a library which we can use to create our application. Personally, I like Attain. It is very robust and it's very similar to Express. So for that, we'll go to third-party modules, search Attain. Yeah, here. So to install or to import, you just copy this command, paste it. If you do not have it installed in the first run, it'll install it for you. If you have it, it'll take it from cache. So how do we create a new application? For that, we'll say const app is equals to new app. So we have an application created. Now we need to tell a route that it needs to listen, and we need to pass some data back to the calling function. So for that, we'll say app.use for now default route. It'll expect a callback function with two parameters, request and response. There we go. And for now, we'll just send back hello world. Yeah, that looks good. Now, how do we start this server? To start this server, we say app.listen. Now we need to specify the host name and the port name. We will be using the default host name, but we'll specify a port name by saying port colon, say 3000 for now. Save it. And let's console log a message that the server is up so that we know that the server is actually running. Let's save it, fire up the terminal, clear this out. Now, how do we execute deno? So executing deno is very simple, but you need to remember flags. So we'll say deno run. Now we need to pass a flag for it to access the network. So we'll say dash dash allow dash net and then the file name app.ts. Let's hit enter. It'll compile. Let's see. Yeah, the server is up. So rather than using Postman, I'll just use the browser for now. So let's go to localhost colon 3000. Yeah, we get our hello world message. So this is how you create a very basic API in Deno. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.